Imagine losing your life savings to a currency that doesn't exist, a currency you were told would revolutionize the world, but behind the scenes, it was nothing more than an illusion. This is the story of OneCoin, one of the biggest cryptocurrency scams in history. At its heart, Ruja Ignatova, the self-proclaimed crypto queen who vanished without a trace. Before her disappearance, she and her team scammed millions of people out of billions of dollars. Stick around to learn how the OneCoin scam unraveled and what led to its global impact. Background of OneCoin's founder, Ruja Ignatova. Ruja Ignatova was a charismatic entrepreneur with a PhD in European private law. Fluent in multiple languages and boasting a background in finance, she built an image of trustworthiness and expertise. However, her path to fame and fortune had already been tarnished by her involvement in Bitcoin, an earlier scam. In 2014, Ignatova founded OneCoin, promising it would surpass Bitcoin as the world's leading cryptocurrency. The pitch was convincing. OneCoin claimed to provide educational packages for crypto investment, coupled with tokens that could be used to mine this revolutionary new currency. However, unlike Bitcoin, OneCoin didn't have a blockchain. It wasn't decentralized or transparent, and ultimately, it wasn't real. OneCoin's early success hinged on its multi-level marketing (MLM) model. Investors were encouraged not only to purchase educational packages, but to recruit others into the scheme. The more recruits, the greater their commission, a textbook pyramid structure. Investors were drawn in by promises of exorbitant returns, which only added fuel to the fire. What made OneCoin especially dangerous was the illusion of legitimacy. Ignatova hired top-level marketing experts and hosted flashy events to build her reputation. Conferences across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East were filled with investors who believed they were getting in early on the next big financial revolution. They were promised wealth beyond their wildest dreams, if only they bought in before it was too late. The illusion of success. By late 2015, OneCoin was raking in billions of dollars. Investors saw their OneCoins multiply, and early adopters cashed out with large profits. Though these payouts were funded by new investors' money, Ignatova and her team created a false sense of urgency, constantly promoting that time was running out to get in on the opportunity. The operation expanded rapidly, targeting markets with lower financial literacy in Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. People trusted OneCoin because of Ignatova's credentials and the fact that the cryptocurrency market was booming at the time. However, the supposed currency was never traded on public exchanges, and OneCoin's value was entirely fabricated by the company. Victims worldwide. OneCoin's victims were scattered all over the globe. Some were wealthy investors, but many were everyday people, retirees, small business owners, and individuals from developing countries who saw this as their way out of poverty. In Uganda, people sold land and livestock to buy OneCoin packages. In India, entire communities were devastated when the scam was exposed, with families losing their life savings. The allure of massive returns blinded people to the many red flags. The high-pressure sales tactics, the pyramid-style commission structure, and the fact that OneCoin wasn't available on public exchanges were warning signs, but by the time they were noticed, it was too late. The role of Irina Dilkinska. One of Ignatova's key associates, Irina Dilkinska, played a pivotal role in the scam's operations. As the head of legal and compliance for OneCoin, Dilkinska used her position to provide a veneer of legitimacy. Her role involved managing the movement of millions of dollars through shell companies, helping OneCoin evade financial regulations across multiple countries. In 2024, Dilkinska admitted her guilt in facilitating the fraud and was sentenced to 4 years in prison. Though she played a significant part in the scam's legal machinations, her sentencing was one of the few moments of accountability for the operation's inner circle. The disappearance of Ruja Ignatova. In October 2017, just as authorities were beginning to close in, Ignatova boarded a plane in Bulgaria, headed for Greece, and vanished. She hasn't been seen since. While theories abound, some believe she's hiding with a new identity. Others speculate that powerful criminal networks may be protecting her. The truth remains unknown. What is known is that in 2024, the US government has placed a $5 million reward on her head, hoping to bring her to justice. The Bulgarian prosecutor general has also taken action, initiating proceedings in 2024 to confiscate all of Ignatova's properties in Bulgaria. This is a step towards restitution, although it is unlikely that all victims will recover their lost money. Bitcoin's meteoric rise in 2017. Interestingly, while OneCoin was defrauding investors, the world of legitimate cryptocurrencies was booming. In 2017, the value of Bitcoin skyrocketed, reaching nearly $20,000 by the end of the year. The media frenzy surrounding Bitcoin's meteoric rise only fueled interest in cryptocurrencies as a whole. Many investors saw Bitcoin's growth and assumed that OneCoin would follow the same path. Unfortunately, this misperception contributed to OneCoin's ability to keep the scam going for as long as it did. The fall of OneCoin. By 2019, OneCoin's collapse was undeniable. Numerous countries had launched investigations, and high-ranking members of the organization were being arrested. Among them was Ruja's brother, Konstantin Ignatov, who took over after her disappearance. He pleaded guilty to multiple charges, including money laundering and fraud, and testified against others involved in the scam. The unraveling of OneCoin revealed its true nature. There was no blockchain, no public ledger, and no legitimate currency. It was a Ponzi scheme from day one, with all profits coming from new investor funds. The global impact. The fallout from the OneCoin scam was immense. It wasn't just about the billions of dollars lost. It was about the shattered trust in the cryptocurrency market. OneCoin made it harder for legitimate cryptocurrency projects to gain acceptance as governments and financial regulators became more cautious. Many investors, particularly those in developing countries, lost faith in the idea of digital currency altogether. As of 2024, some victims are still fighting for justice, and governments are continuing to unravel the complex web of shell companies and offshore accounts that Ruja Ignatova used to hide the stolen money. With her still at large, the OneCoin saga is far from over. What do you think happened to Ruja Ignatova? Is she living in luxury under a new identity, or was she eliminated by someone more powerful? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We dive deep into true crime stories, the rise and fall of companies, people, and the world's biggest scams. Don't miss out on our future videos. Until next time, stay curious and stay cautious.